So Charlie Kirk died. But you know who didn't die? The Supreme Court, nor the president.
Why are you still here? Leave!
On September 8th, 2025, the Supreme Court gave ICE the green light to racially profile people in Los Angeles.
What the f*** are you talking about, man?
You heard that right. In a 6-3 ruling, the Supreme Court lifted a ban that had protected immigrant communities from being stopped just for speaking Spanish, working certain jobs, or being in certain neighborhoods. This isn't immigration law. This is legalized racial profiling, and it's being fast-tracked without a formal hearing. The ruling came down through what's called the shadow docket, an emergency legal tool that skips full arguments, skips public briefings, and fast-tracks decisions with no transparency, no oral argument, no public debate, just a quiet reversal of people's rights.
That's not right.
And now ICE can resume roving patrol in Los Angeles and likely elsewhere. The conservative majority says that language alone cannot justify a stop. I wonder why, because lots of people walking the streets in the United States speak different languages, don't they? But combined with other contextual clues, they're fair game. So what happens when the context is you're brown, you speak Spanish, you're walking outside to work? This ruling is vague on purpose and puts real people at risk. The impact is immediate and dangerous. This ruling means ICE can detain, question, and harass people based on appearance, accent, or job type, even if they're legal residents or United States citizens. This isn't about public safety. It's about racialized control, and it's happening while the actual case is still being decided in the lower courts. This means the harm is happening now with no legal clarity or safeguards. Back in 2012, Arizona's SB 1070 allowed police to ask anyone for papers based on reasonable suspicion. It led to widespread racial profiling, wrongful detentions, and lawsuits that took years to unwind. This Supreme Court ruling brings that same logic back, but federally. This isn't new. It's a rerun of state violence, remastered for 2025. What can you do? Support legal organizations that are already mobilizing. Know your rights and share them with your community. Demand your local reps push for protections regardless of federal rollbacks. And don't let shadow docket rulings slip under the radar. We have to stay louder than their silence. To our undocumented, mixed status, and immigrant communities, we see you. You shouldn't have to live in fear in a country that you helped build. We've resisted raids, we've fought racist laws, we've shut down ICE vans, and we will do it again because justice isn't handed down. It's built from the ground up. Peace, y'all.